If ever a funeral laid an egg, that one did. Standing around the grave, maybe 24 nobodies. A great finish. You just don't bury a famous movie star like she was an unidentified body. Well, it figured. It was like that from the minute I laid eyes on her. Nothing worked according to the book. Not my book, anyway. From the minute she waved back at the Statue of Liberty, everybody wanted to know everything about Maria. And they wound up knowing nothing, because there was nothing to know. Believe me, what they said in Madrid was true. This bundle of passion, this hot flame that burned from the screen, was a real untouchable. The columns and the wolves were after me night and day. But how could I tell them who she was with or when I didn't even know who she knew? I can tell you this. It is entirely possible that Maria da Mata went to her grave without ever once being inside of the Stork, El Morocco, Ciro's, or the Mocambo. You've got to admit, this is not normal. But what was normal about this whole business from start to finish? Here is a doll who, on the opening night of her first picture, with no known interest in men, much less romance, whose private life is strictly private, but who, the people have decided, is already a star. This is the night I first begin to think maybe the public has a mind of its own. Who else but Maria da Mata would show up at her world premiere, alone, together with a couple that everybody knew were in love with each other? It was real love with Harry and Jerry. You could tell it was for real, because they never even gave out interviews about getting married. Maria da Mata. Whatever it is, you name it. Whether you're born with it or catch it from a public drinking cup, Maria had it. The people with the money in their hot little hands put her up there. And she could do no wrong.